Hello friends, welcome you once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial. Today I am gonna unbox a portable laptop or desktop speaker of FND. So let's get started. So guys, I have ordered this 2.1 portable desktop speaker from the Flipkart, which is of Fenda. And guys, I got this product near around 1000 rupees. So I think it's really good product according to its price. So today I am gonna unbox this product and I will give you a quick review that you should buy this speaker or not. So let's get into it. Here you can see guys the bill. This product cost me nearly 1000 rupees. You can see the exact price, 989. I have ordered this product during the sale in the Flipkart. So let's remove the wrapper, guys. Okay, and here you can see the model number F203G, and over here you can see since 1993, and here you can see the features: thumping bass effect, look smart, ease of use. Yeah, we will check the base of this device, and here obviously, and here you can see this is made in China. And so okay guys, let's quickly open the box and let's see the product. Here you can see the packaging is quite good. And here I think this is the satellite speaker, which is wrapped in plastic. So this is one more speaker. Okay, I have got two satellite speaker. And what is this? So this is a quick start guide and some operation manual. Okay, so let's keep this thing aside and let's go to the woofer. So this is the things you will get, these three things: two satellite speaker and woofer. Now let's quickly unwrap this woofer from the plastic. So guys, here you can see the woofer is quite portable and it's nice. And here you can see the knobs to reduce and increase the volume. In the back side here you can see the power button, and here you can see from here you can also control the bass. You can see these three things from the front. It really looks nice and it is also portable. Now let me give some time to connect these things, and then I will show you the sound of these speakers. So okay guys, here you can see I have connected this device successfully. Guys, I am trying to show you the connection from the behind. Here you can see this. See, the connection is not that much complicated. This wire is to for the power on and off, and here you can see these two little wires. These two wires you have to connect this from your mobile with the help of the 3.5 mm jack. And here you can also see the bass control button in the behind. Here you can see this, and in the front of the speaker you can see the blue colored LED light. It is quite irritating. It's just hit your eyes, so I'm gonna just cover it with the sellotape paper, but it looks nice. Let's see how is the sound output of this device.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, you have heard that the sound quality is quite good and it is loud too, and the bass is also quite good. And guys, I must recommend you to buy this speaker if your budget is nearly 1000 rupees. This is really good, and you will also get a 2 years domestic warranty from the Flipkart. Though it is a Chinese brand, but I have used some other Fender speakers. In it is quite reliable, and for 1000 rupees I think it's a great choice to buy this speaker. So guys, I will give you the link to buy this device from the Flipkart in my video description. You can check this. Okay guys, that's all about this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like and also subscribe to our channel Tech Tutorial by hitting that red subscribe button below, and also please hit that bell icon to always get notification whenever we upload a new video. So till then, thank you and stay tuned. Bye bye.